create one MIC solution QS21 enter 1000, you can say area only, and it is in created, so it's in release state, it is let's keep it complete.
Yes, sir.
Now it is done, and then the control indicator. Normally area is calculated by volume or diameter or such fields which are calculated based on a formula. Then in that case, we don't need to test it. Other parameters I need based on those parameters, the value for this particular MIC will be calculated. In such cases, we create the MIC. Here I am not specifying my limit because that will based on the other parameters. Okay, so I'm not selecting this. Here instead of Baki, rest all we can keep as it is.
No.
In this part here, the formula is there. This calculated characteristics. Okay, means this MIC will be based on some formula, and that
Yes, sir.
formula I need to enter. Based on that, the automatically result should be calculated for this MIC. Okay, so I will select calculated characteristics here. Click on OK. Okay, and click on OK, and then save it. Okay, so I have created an MIC with the name area. And if I'm saying area means the other MICs need to be used to calculate the area. QH23, do I have length? It is there. So I have length and it is reference characteristics, quantitative data. We have maintained some values. Let me keep it simple. Let's keep it, say this. Okay,
Yes.
so MIC with the name length, and let's save it, and I can create one more MIC slash NQS21, and I'm keeping it saved, or it is there already. It already exists. Okay, let's go for the change mode of that. And in this, even we can keep it simple, say 5, and or maybe say 2, and this I'm keeping it 5. Okay.
Okay.
For simplicity purpose, so that we can check the results are calculated properly or not. So keeping it simple, save it. Of course, both are with no formula. Let me show you that also. That after no, keep it required characteristics. Will keep. This is a no
calculated characteristic.
Okay, and let's save it, and let's check length also. What is? It is a required characteristics and no formula. Okay, so let's save it, and we will assign it both length and width in the inspection plan. So QP02, enter, and read. Okay, so let's select this, and on this I am just removing both the things. Okay, so delete this, delete this, yes, and I'm adding say length, and we can select fixed, enter, and then width, enter. And now I'm adding area. So when you press enter, it's asking me for the formula. Okay, because it is a calculated characteristics we have specified, and I need to tell the formula which should be used. So for this particular MIC area. So here I can enter the formula. If you press F1 key here, how you can enter the formula or what can be the way of writing this. Press F. Because area I'm saying, say, my first MIC and second MIC multiplication I'm saying. So this is the format which they are using. Okay. So let me copy this as it is. This means the 10 means the first MIC, okay?
I see.
30 means the second MIC, and this is with 30, third MIC, okay? So this is the
Okay.
one. Press enter. So now I have added the formula also. So this is the extra task which we need to do if it is a calculated MIC, and then save it. It's just informing us that it is a reference MIC. Let's create a lot for it. QA01, enter. 89 lot I'm creating and keeping it, say 11. Enter, enter. Result recording. If it is a big one, we have to, and it is a single result recording, then we have to enter those many entries. Which is 5, and even in this I'm entering as say 5. So now you can see that we have entered the values for first and second, and this is 1, okay, status, which means must be processed, okay. And now if I save it, okay, I'm not entering because there is no specification maintained for this. And then if I save it, it is saying accepted. And now again, I go to the change mode of this. So here you can see it has been calculated automatically
Okay.
because we
Okay.
haven't entered the value for this. Because the formula we have maintained is the first MIC into the second MIC will be the value for this. Okay. So let me unlock it, and I am making it say 4 in this.
And it will create it again. Okay.
Press enter. Now the area need to be calculated automatically. For this, you can see this calculated characteristics. This icon comes. Okay. So if I click on this, the value will be calculated. You can see it is coming as 20. Okay, 5 goes to 20. And if you want to see the formula, what is maintained for this, click on this display formula. It will show you the details, say length and width multiplication.